Today on Talk It Out Tuesday, we want to discuss the holidays, more specifically, holiday gifts. Holiday gifts that capture memories are always special. We offer services that can make priceless holiday gifts that I want to share with you. Give the gift of nostalgia by digitizing your family photos. Whether it's a collection of old family portraits, travel pictures, or precious moments from the past, scanning and restoring these images will preserve them for generations to come. You can have these digitized photos saved onto USB hard drives and given as gifts. Another holiday gift we can assist with is artwork. If you have an artist in your life, or even a family member who loves to doodle, turning their artwork into a custom print is a thoughtful way to celebrate their creativity. Scanning your child's drawings or recreating an original piece on canvas can become a cherished gift that's unique to your family. We can also print your favorite family photos onto canvas art to display in your home. Some family treasures are irreplaceable, whether it's a grandparent's wedding ring, an old diary, a created family tree, or a special handmade item passed down through generations. Scanning these keepsakes ensures their legacy is preserved forever, even if the physical items fade with time. This holiday season, turn your family history into meaningful gifts that will be treasured for years to come. We're here to help you preserve your family's story. For information, give us a call at 702-222-3590 or visit us online at graphicimaging.net.